Hello, dear students. Welcome to our new session. Today we are studying NCERT 5th Standard EVS, Chapter 8 A Treat for Mosquitoes, Part 2. In the Part 1, we have learned about mosquitoes. Female Anopheles mosquitoes carry the malarial germ from an infected person to a healthy person. In the Part 2, we will study more about mosquitoes. Children, have you heard about the life cycle of mosquitoes? The mosquito goes through 4 stages during its life cycle. First stage is egg. Eggs are laid in the stagnant water. About 40 to 100 eggs are laid at one time. The eggs must float on the surface of water to receive oxygen from the air. Their hatching also occurs in the same water. Eggs are hatched to larva. Larva is the second stage. Larvae are formed from eggs within a few hours. They float on the surface of water. Larvae are called baby mosquitoes. Pupa is formed from larva. It is the third stage. Pupae change into adults. It is the fourth stage. Adult female mosquito generally feeds on blood. Adult female mosquito feeds on blood because blood proteins are required for laying eggs. Male Anopheles mosquito does not seek a blood meal but feeds on the nectar of flowers. Only female mosquitoes can suck blood. The germs of malaria are spread when the Anopheles mosquito bites an infected person to suck blood. With this blood, the mosquitoes receive the germ. Germ means disease-causing microorganisms which grow and multiply within their body. When such infected mosquitoes bite a healthy person, these germs are introduced into his body. Students, how can we destroy mosquitoes? Breeding places should be destroyed. Don't let water collect around your house. Kerosene and some other greasy oil should be poured over the water to make a thin film on the surface. The oil kills the larvae and pupae when they come to breathe on the surface. Students, do you know certain fishes should be introduced in the ponds to eat mosquito larvae? Here is the conversation of Jaskirat, Rajat and Nancy. Jaskirat, there is a poster on malaria just outside our class. What's there in the poster? Are you inviting mosquitoes? Beware. They spread malaria, dengue, chikungunya. Don't let water collect around your house. Fill up the pits. Keep the water pots, coolers and tanks clean. They should be dried every week. Use mosquito nets to protect yourself. Spray kerosene if water has collected at some place. Rajat. The poster says something about larvae. What are those? Then Nancy replied, they are baby mosquitoes, but they don't look like mosquitoes at all. Are they? Where did you see them? Then Nancy. There was an old pot lying behind our house. It was full of water for some days. When I looked there, I saw some tiny thread-like grey things swimming. I was surprised when Mummy told me that these had come out of the eggs, which mosquitoes lay in water. They are called larvae. Rajat, what did you do? Nancy, Pupa immediately threw away the water. He cleaned and dried the pot and kept it upside down so that no water would collect. Jaskirat, Razia auntie told me that even flies spread diseases, especially stomach problems. Then Rajat, but flies don't bite. Then how do they spread diseases? Students, do you know about houseflies? The housefly breeds in decaying matter, including human and animal excreta, especially cow dung. It spreads numerous diseases including dysentery, cholera, typhoid, etc. The housefly feeds on all kinds of food. It is particularly attracted to sweet food and rotting meat. When the houseflies sit on the food items, next moment itself they vomit and defecate. Flies sit on dirty things and germs stick to their legs. When they sit on our food, they transfer the germs into our food, which makes us ill. So, children, we should not eat uncovered food. Survey report. Some children did this survey. Here are some of their reports. Group 1. We found something green around the taps in our school, which is called algae. Due to algae that means a kind of plant, it had also become slippery there. The algae spreads a lot during the rainy season. We think that they are some kind of small plants that grow in water. Then report of group 2. There is a pond near the school. At first, you cannot see the water in the pond as it is completely covered with plants. One auntie told us that these plants have grown themselves in water. Around the pond, there are pits full of water. We also saw some larvae in the water. As we moved around, lots of mosquitoes flew from the plants, growing around. Jaskirat feels that there are so many mosquitoes in her house because of this dirty pond nearby. Children, do you know the importance of algae in the pond? Algae provide oxygen to the water in the pond. At the same time, algae make pollution also. Students, do you know who invented malarial parasite? Sir Ronald Ross. What was his discovery? Now we are reading the story of Ronald Ross to know about scientific processes. A scientist peeps into a mosquito's stomach. This interesting incident took place almost 100 years ago. A scientist found out that mosquitoes spread malaria. Let's read about this discovery in his own words. My father was a general in the Indian Army. I studied to become a doctor. But what I really liked was reading stories, writing poetry, music, and drama. In my free time, I enjoyed doing all this. In those days, thousands of people used to die from a disease that we now call malaria. The disease was found in areas where there was a lot of rain or in swampy places. People thought that the illness was caused by some poisonous gas that came from the dirty swampy areas. They gave it the name malaria, which means bad air. One doctor had seen tiny germs in the blood of one of the patients when he observed it under a microscope, but he could not understand how these had got into the patient's blood. My professor had some ideas about this. I think that these may be carried by some kind of mosquito. As his student, I spent all my time chasing mosquitoes to catch and observe. We used to carry empty bottles and chase mosquito after mosquito. Then we would put the mosquitoes into a mosquito net in which there was a patient of malaria. The mosquitoes would have a feast biting these patients. The patients were paid 1 anna for allowing one mosquito to bite them. Anna means that was a form of currency used earlier in India. I will always remember those days at the hospital in Secunderabad, how we used to cut open the mosquito's stomach and peep into it. I would spend hours and hours bent over the microscope. By night, my neck would be stiff and my eyes could not see clearly. It used to be very hot, but we dared not fan ourselves as all the mosquitoes would fly off in the breeze. Once I also fell ill with malaria. I spent months like this with the microscope. but could not find anything. One day, we caught a few mosquitoes that looked different. They were brownish with spotted wings. When I looked into the stomach of one of the female mosquitoes, I saw something black there. I looked closer. I saw that these tiny germs looked just like the ones that were found in the blood of malaria patients. At last, we had the proof. Mosquitoes did spread malaria. In December 1902, Ronald Ross got the highest award for his discovery, the Nobel Prize for Medicine. In 1905, even as he lay dying, Ross's last words were, I will find something, I will find something new. Children, you can also become a great scientist like Sir Ronald Ross. Worksheet, fill in the blanks. Dr. Ronald Ross found that mosquitoes spread malaria. Second one, the green growth around the stagnant water is made up of algae. Third one, anemia is caused by the deficiency of iron. Fourth one, Ronald Ross got the Nobel Prize for Medicine. Fifth one, the young one of mosquito is called larva. Sixth one, malaria means bad air. Seventh one, blood is observed under the microscope. Eighth, lack of hemoglobin in blood causes anemia. Ninth, Ronald Ross got the Nobel Prize in the year 1902. 10th, from early times, cinchona tree bark was used to prepare medicine for malaria. Right, true or false? Flies also bite like mosquitoes. False. Fish eat the mosquito larvae present in water. True. Mosquitoes lay eggs in water only. True. Malaria is spread only by one kind of mosquito. True. Children suffering from anemia do not grow well. True. Answer the following. First one. What happens to the mosquitoes when oil spread on water? When oil spread on the water, it prevents oxygen supply to egg and larvae of mosquitoes. Thus, they are killed. What is anemia? Anemia is a deficiency disease caused by deficiency of iron in our body. What should we eat to increase hemoglobin or iron in the blood? We should eat jaggery, amla, and more leafy vegetables to increase hemoglobin or iron in the blood. What are larvae? What do they look like? Larvae are baby mosquitoes. They are thread-like grey-colored creatures. People are advised to clear the stagnant water immediately. Give reason. Mosquitoes lay eggs in stagnant water and spread diseases like malaria, dengue, etc. Children, I am winding up today's class. Before going, let me say one thing. Please subscribe and share my video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.